Hey everyone, it's Dan Allison with Brokers Clearinghouse. Hope you are doing awesome. Hey, I wanted to shoot a really quick video to remind you of a resource for your term insurance business. You'll note in the subject line that I called this video Kiss Your Apps Goodbye. Hopefully you caught that and that's why you clicked on this. And that is because we've developed, if you haven't used it already, a resource called ASAPLife.com, ASAPLife.com. And what it is, we call it the most efficient way to sell term insurance in the country. And I'll tell you real quickly what it is, but I'd encourage you to click on the video below this for a more thorough explanation. But basically, as some of you may know, life insurance has historically been a very paperwork-heavy product to sell. You know, you've got dozens and dozens of pages of apps and signatures and initials, and constantly we see business that is submitted to us not in good order. So we have to go back and get client signatures, and it can be a very painful process, especially when you're doing term insurance, which may not be the highest payoff activity that you do in your day. Well, the insurance carriers responded to this by creating something they call drop ticket or tele app. And all that is a way to do term insurance that doesn't allow or doesn't require signatures, doesn't require any paper applications. It is all online, web-based term insurance. You don't have to physically even be in front of the client to take the application. So it's literally a way to take a term app in minutes. And so what we saw is carriers, some of them were early to that game and they worked out all the kinks earlier. Some are just now starting to get into that game. So we saw that there were certain carriers that really excelled at a drop ticket and tele app term insurance. So what we decided is we would create our own proprietary platform, ASAPLife.com, that where you can go on and in a minute you can run a quote for your client. If your client says, hey, I want to purchase the insurance, you can do the application in a few minutes, web-based, no need for signature. When you submit that app online, it's guaranteed to be good or in good order, so we don't have to call you back and bug you. And you can, in a few minutes, submit term insurance applications. At that point, the life insurance carrier will call them and do all the medical questions, and they'll take over the interview and order the APSs. Really, you're done. You're going to be kept up to date with where the case is at, but you don't have to do any work from that point. So what we did is combine the carriers that we thought had really mastered that process. So you can go on to ASAPLife.com, run a quote in about a minute, submit an app in a couple of minutes, and be done. The good news is all the carriers that are on ASAPLife.com are among, you know, if there's 5 carriers, they are going to be in the top 6 or 7 pricing in the country. So you're not giving up comp for efficiency. You're not giving up premium for efficiency. You're still paid like you would be paid on any term case through us. It is just simply a much more efficient way to submit term. So if you're still doing it the old way, through paper apps, or you're using another company, not us, which shame on you. If you're using them and you're having to do it the old way, check out ASAPLife.com. I can promise you it'll be the most efficient way you've ever seen to sell term insurance. Once you do it that way, you'll never go back to the old way. As always, thank you all for your business. And if you haven't given us a shot yet, please do. And I think ASAPLife.com is a great way to do that.